If you want to make money online, here's a simple roadmap using Shopify. First, pick a niche. Don't try to sell everything to everyone. Focus on a specific audience with a specific problem, like gym beginners, dog owners, or people who love skincare. The more targeted you are, the easier it is to sell. Second, find winning products. Look at TikTok trends, Amazon bestsellers, or viral ads. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Sell what's already proven to work. Third, build your store. Choose a clean theme, write benefit-focused product descriptions, and use high-quality photos or videos. Make your store look trustworthy and simple. Fourth, drive traffic. Post short-form videos on TikTok and Instagram Reels, or run paid ads if you have a budget. Traffic is everything. No visitors means no sales. Finally, test and improve. Change your headlines, product images, and pricing until you find what converts. Remember, Shopify isn't magic. The money comes from good marketing, consistency, and treating it like a real business.